Hello friends, this is Yogita Parmar and today we are going to cover the topic digestive system, human digestive system, okay, of biology. So before going to the topic, what is the first thing that clicks in your mind when you think about the digestion? Yes, it is stomach, I think so. सब लोग सोचते हैं ना आज मेरा डाइजेशन खराब है, ये चीज मैंने खा ली थी तो डाइजेशन खराब हो गया. So it is something related to stomach. But students, this is really a great myth about digestion, that the whole process of digestion takes place in the stomach. It's not the stomach, it is the small intestine which plays the major role in the digestion. Okay, so now just tell me what do you think by the digestion? How you define digestion? अच्छा, we used to eat Manchurian, noodles, so many things we used to eat. Okay, तो वो हमारे मसल्स में कैसे जाता है? How they go to different parts of our body, and how we get the energy from that? Think. It is what happened actually. These complex food materials, food molecules, is converted into the simpler one. Okay, with the help of some enzymes, and this process is known as digestion. A digestion is a process in which large molecules of food is converted into a smaller and simpler one with the help of some enzymes and digestive juices. So this we define the digestion. Okay, so the human digestion consists of mouth, that is buccal cavity, esophagus, then stomach, liver, pancreas, large intestine, small intestine, rectum, anus, appendix, and so on. So many things are there, so many enzymes are there which we will study today. Today we will start with the mouth. We will take two things, mouth and esophagus. Okay, so before going to that, just I want to tell you that this is known as alimentary canal. We start from mouth to anus. This is known as alimentary canal. Now, what is an alimentary canal is, suppose if you want to go from your home to school, okay, so there is a particular path, okay. In the same manner, the food, when it enters to the mouth, it has a particular path, or we can say particular passage of food. This passage is known as what? Alimentary canal. The human alimentary canal is 9 meter long. Yes, it is 9 meter long. Okay, so the first, we will start with the mouth, and the first step of the human digestion is ingestion. That is INGESTION. Ingestion. Ingestion means taking in food. Okay, how the food is taken by the organism is known as ingestion of that organism. Different organisms have different process of the ingestion. For example, the human take the food from mouth, not from hands. Okay, hands हम उठाते हैं और mouth में उसको enter करते हैं. It is not that we take the food from our hands. It is our mouth which is the part of the ingestion. Okay, other organism, for example, we will talk about amoeba. Amoeba structure we have done in 8th, 7th, 8th, 9th. Okay, so suppose this is, you know, the irregular shape of the amoeba is. Amoeba don't have any mouth. So how the ingestion takes place in that? In amoeba, the ingestion takes place through these outgrowths, finger-like outgrowths, which is known as pseudopodia, which we will learn about pseudopodia later in this chapter only. Okay, so this is what pseudopodia is, the ingestion of amoeba. Similarly, we talk about the paramecium. पैरामीशियम की बात करेंगे तो उसपे छोटे छोटे से हेयर लाइक आउटग्रोथ रहते हैं जिसको हम सीलिया बोलते हैं, एंड दैट सीलिया कैप्चर्स द फूड, एंड देयरफॉर द इंजेक्शन of paramecium is takes place by cilia or that hair-like structure, small hair-like structure. Okay. Then if we talk about frog, frog कैसे लेता है? Frog catch the prey or insects with a long tongue. ठीक है? तो हर organism का जो ingestion होता है is different. In human it is mouth. Okay? The first process of digestion in human is ingestion, that is taking in food through mouth. Now, what happens actually in the mouth? Mouth is also known as buccal cavity. Okay, this is all known as buccal cavity, and it has what? Mouth में क्या क्या होता है? Teeth, yes, teeth is there. Second, for chewing the food, teeth, obviously teeth is there. Second, tongue is there, yes. Taste buds होते हैं, and for rolling off our food. Okay, and third important, saliva is there. Saliva. Okay. Now, saliva is secreted from glands known as salivary glands. Okay. Now, this saliva has enzyme known as salivary amylase. It is known as what? Salivary amylase. S-L-I-V-A-R-Y. Salivary amylase. This salivary amylase is present in the saliva. Okay, now what is the function of this? Okay, the function of salivary amylase is it converts the complex carbohydrate into simple starch or simple sugar. मतलब कार्बोहाइड्रेट, फूड में जो कार्बोहाइड्रेट होता है उसका डाइजेशन कहाँ पे होता है? माउथ में होता है. ओके, तो फर्स्ट डाइजेशन takes place in the mouth itself with the help of which enzyme? Salivary enzyme, which is present in saliva. Okay, this is clear. The mouth one. Okay, now when the food reaches from mouth to this pipe-like structure, this pipe-like structure is nothing but known as esophagus. Okay, it is known as what? Esophagus. It is also known as food pipe. Now what happened here? When the food reaches to this pipe, it has a movement, okay, of contraction and relaxation. Contraction and relaxation. इस टाइप से फूड मूवमेंट करता हुआ नीचे की तरफ जाता है. ठीक है? इस मूवमेंट को हम क्या बोलते हैं? This movement is known as peristaltic. Okay, this is known as peristaltic movement, and process is known as peristalsis. Okay, here no digestion of food takes place. यहाँ पे भी कोई भी डाइजेशन नहीं होता है. यहाँ पे सिर्फ फूड का मूवमेंट होता है. जो फूड माउथ से आ रहा है उसका कॉन्ट्रैक्शन रिलैक्सेशन होता है. ठीक है, इस टाइप से ये पाइप जो है वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करता है, रिलैक्स करता है, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करता है, रिलैक्स करता है, एंड एज अ रिजल्ट द फूड इज पुशेस टुवर्ड्स द स्टमक. ओके, रिमेंबर देयर इज नो डाइजेशन टेक्स प्लेस इन ईसोफेगस. फूड पाइप में कोई भी डाइजेशन नहीं होता है. द इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ ईसोफेगस इज ओनली दैट इट have the some important movements known as peristaltic movements. Generally, the board questions is they used to ask in board what is the peristaltic movement and where does it occurs. So you should know that in esophagus it occurs. Okay. In the next lecture, we will study about the stomach, what happens in the stomach and in the small intestine. Okay, students, have a nice day.